Learning artificial intelligence for beginners. To start your journey into AI, you have to develop a learning plan by assessing your current level of knowledge and the amount of time and resources you can devote to learning AI. Here are 4 steps to guide your AI learning journey. Step number 1. Create a learning plan. It is highly recommended to develop a learning plan. This includes a tentative timeline, skill-building goals, and the activities, programs, and resources you'll need to gain those skills. First, ask yourself the following questions. Your level of knowledge of artificial intelligence. Are you a true beginner? Do you have a foundation in math and statistical skills? Are you familiar with basic terminology and concepts? Your intention for learning. Are you pursuing a new career or just supplementing your current career? How much time you can spend learning? Are you currently employed? Do you want to learn full-time or part-time? How much money you can spend? Do you want to invest in a boot camp, take professional courses online, or watch some videos on YouTube and TikTok? How do you want to learn? Are you interested in pursuing a degree program, a boot camp, or self-teaching through a variety of online courses? Step number 2. Master the prerequisite skills. Before starting your learning journey, you'll want to have a foundation in the following areas. These skills form a base for learning complex AI skills and tools. Basic statistics. AI skills are much easier to learn when you have a firm grasp of statistics and interpreting data. You'll want to know concepts such as statistical significance, regression, distribution, and likelihood, all of which play a role in AI applications. Basic math. Understanding AI, especially machine learning and deep learning, relies on knowing mathematical concepts such as calculus, probability, and linear algebra. These frequently appear in AI algorithms and models. Curiosity and adaptability. AI is complex and rapidly evolving, so there is a constant need to keep up with new techniques and tools. Those looking to pursue a career in AI should have an insatiable thirst for learning and an adaptable mindset for problem solving. The depth to which you'll need to learn these prerequisite skills depends on your career goals. An aspiring AI engineer will need to master these, while a data analyst looking to expand their skill set may start with an introductory class in AI. Step number 3. Start learning AI skills. Once you've covered the prerequisites, let's dive into the essential skills you'll need for AI. Your level of mastery will depend on the type of role you're pursuing. Knowing how to code is essential to implementing AI applications because you can develop AI algorithms and models, manipulate data, and use AI programs. Python is one of the more popular languages due to its simplicity and adaptability. R is another favorite, and there are plenty of others such as Java and C++. A data structure is a specialized format for organizing, storing, retrieving, and manipulating data. Knowing the different types, such as trees, lists, and arrays, is necessary for writing code that can turn into complex AI algorithms and models. Data science encompasses a wide variety of tools and algorithms used to find patterns in raw data. Data scientists have a deep understanding of the product or service user, as well as the comprehensive process of extracting insights from tons of data. AI professionals need to know data science so they can deliver the right algorithms. This popular subset of AI is important because it powers many of our products and services today. Machines learn from data to make predictions and improve a product's performance. AI professionals need to know different algorithms, how they work, and when to apply them. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses many layers of neural networks to understand patterns in data. It's often used in the most advanced AI applications such as self-driving cars. Step number 4. Get familiar with AI tools and programs. Along with building your AI skills, you'll want to know how to use AI tools and programs, such as libraries and frameworks, that will be critical in your AI learning journey. When choosing the right AI tools, it's wise to be familiar with which programming languages they align with, since many tools are dependent on the language used. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more AI learning.